Alright, so today we're gonna make cable or wire, whatever they work, to connect between modules. Alright, we're gonna make a empty object and name it connecting wire. And within this object, we're gonna make a few components. Let's make spear. Let's name it male. And then we're gonna make a few more spears. And we're gonna name it joint. Joint 1. Then we're gonna copy and paste it. Well, the more joint we have, the better it gets. Like the real it gets, but for the performance issue, I'm gonna keep it 4. And then lastly, we're gonna make female part. Let's align it really fast. Oh, by the way, I got this idea from this YouTube video. Though I did it a little bit differently, the whole idea is presented well in this video. So if you're interested, please go and watch this video as well. So every point of this cable is connected to previous and next point with spring joint. And I'm going to make male and female kinematic. Oh, let's turn this off for a little bit. As you can see, it moves like a cable, and all we're missing right now is the surface of the cable. So we're going to draw the surface of the cable. So we're going to need a mesh filter to dynamically draw a mesh into the scene. And then we are going to apply a material. And then we are going to write a script. So we are going to keep track of all the points that we made. Let's compile it first and then put the points in the field like this. I'm going to need a value called radius. Well, it's going to be our thickness of the cable. And I'm going to initialize few arrays like vertices list for our mesh filter. And then triangle list for our mesh filter as well. Well, we already keep track of all the points, but I'd like to store those in an array so that I can easily iterate through it. And then I need mesh. So I have to initialize mesh first. And then our mesh filters mesh is going to be the mesh we just initialized. So I'm going to make a couple of functions for keeping track of all the points. So I'm going to allocate spaces in the point array like this. And I'm going to update it at every frame. And now we're going to draw our surface of the cable. So we're going to reset our mesh like this, and we're going to clear our vertices list as well. Well, we don't really need to reset our triangle list at every frame, but I noticed it now, so let's just ignore that for now. I'm sorry. So what I'm trying to do is that I'm going to iterate through every point, and I'm going to draw a circle which is going to be a frame for our surface of the cable. Well, that will work as a section, if you will. And the circle is gonna be it's gonna have 8 vertices, which can be also called as an octagon, but I'm gonna call it circle anyway. So we can get the vertices of the circle like this. And then we're going to rotate the circles so that they are looking towards the next point. And if it is the last point, the circle is gonna look towards the previous point so that all circles are looking at each other. Right, so in order to rotate all the vertices with a pivot points, we need to make a couple of functions. So first, we're going to move it back to the origin. And then we're going to actually rotate it by multiplying quaternion. And then we're going to transform it back. That's the final rotated vertex. So to get the rotation, it's simple because all the circle is initially looking at negative zeta direction, and we're going to have it looking at the direction we want. So our desired rotation, get rotation, our direction, and with that rotation, we can get the exact vertex that we need, and we're going to add that into our vertices list array. All right, so now we have all the vertices information we need. They are going to be like this. So if you see like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 at every point. And we are going to connect them with the triangle list information so that we can have actual working mesh. All right, so in order to do that, we have to manually link them as an array. Well, I found a pattern to easily do that, but if anybody finds better way to do it, please share it at the comment. Please remember that in Unity, vertices wind clockwise for front facing. So that's it. Now we're going to pass this information to our mesh, vertices list, as well as the triangle information. So the Unity does the normal calculation for us so that it can be reactive to the lightings. Alright, so that's it. We should be able to see the surface of the cable. Let's try to run it. Yay! So now we have the surface of the cable. Oh well, no. Oh yeah, I forgot it. So because we flipped the last circle so that it looks at the previous point, not the next point, the vertices information got messed up. So we're gonna need to fix it. Well, so this line of code should be changed. Yeah, I'm just gonna multiply -1 to the current direction, so it's kind of the same direction, but it's gonna be flipped. So now we fixed. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like and subscribe button, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'm gonna come back with another episode, so until then, yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye bye.